Modern machines are transforming how work gets done, faster, smarter, and with stunning precision. From food production to heavy construction, these tools handle massive tasks with ease, saving time and effort every step of the way. It's incredible to see how technology is reshaping everyday processes across industries. 1. Shirt folding and packing machine. Folds shirts perfectly with clean, crisp lines, then packs and seal wraps them neatly for delivery. 2. Salmon slicing machine cuts salmon into perfectly even pieces with precision. Ideal shapes for sushi and fine seafood dishes. 3. High-pressure road cleaning vehicle. Uses a powerful water jet tool to clean roads perfectly with strong pressure. 4. Roof demolition tractor. This customized truck easily tears down house and building rooftops, makes heavy demolition work faster and safer with powerful control. 5. Satisfying food flow. Looks so satisfying the way this food comes out smoothly and perfectly. 5. Currency printing and cutting machine. This factory-place machine prints, cuts, and organizes currency with high precision. Each note comes out perfectly shaped, ready for secure delivery. 6. Samyang Noodles Factory. Cooks and packs cup noodles quickly into ready-to-ship boxes. 7. Ice Cream Sandwich Factory. Effortlessly makes perfect ice cream sandwiches, one after another. 8. Pencil making factory cuts wood into perfect pencil shapes, then adds erasers on top. Each pencil is sharpened smoothly, ready for use. 9. Ribbon flower machine makes beautiful ribbon flowers smoothly and neatly. 10. Doughnut making machine turns flour into perfect dough, then fries it into golden donuts. Finishes with a sweet glaze for a delicious final touch. Twelfth. Automated pizza making machine, from kneading and spreading dough to adding sauce and cheese, all done by machine. Finally, it bakes the pizza perfectly in the oven with very less human touch. High-speed food slicer. The fast-spinning blade slices food into thin, even chips in one go. Smooth, precise, and incredibly quick to watch. 18. Bread making machine rolls dough into perfect shapes, then bakes each loaf evenly. Finally, it collects to packs the bread, ready for delivery. 14. Crockery printing machine. Prints beautiful designs on plates and dishes with perfect clarity. 19th. Metal mesh rolling machine. Rolls thin metal wires into perfect diamond-shaped mesh with precision. 15th. Powder coating machine for metal grates. Applies hot paint powder smoothly on metal surfaces. Gives a durable, even finish to heavy road-grade metal pieces. 16th. Field cutting tractor. Cuts the entire field evenly, leaving no patch behind. 17th. Dumpling making machine makes perfectly shaped dumplings, every piece identical and smooth. 29th. Metal bending machine bends thick, heavy metal into perfect circular shapes with ease. 21st. Noodle cutting process. Both humans and machines are cutting noodles in different skilled ways. 20. Smart fish sorting machine. Automatically detects and places each fish into the right basket. 23rd. Sneaker manufacturing machine assembles. Sneakers with precise stitching and perfect sole attachment. 24th. Pant creasing machine uses heat to press sharp light blue crease lines perfectly onto the fabric. 25th. Hydro dipping machine applies colorful paint designs on bottles by dipping them through water-coated patterns. 26. Automatic sticker labeling machine cuts and pastes stickers perfectly onto plastic bottles with smooth precision. 27th. Thread to fabric production line. Spins bulk threads into fabric, weaving them smoothly and evenly. Then cuts and collects the cloth in perfect, ready-to-use pieces. 28th. Marble cutting tractor cuts massive slabs of marble smoothly with powerful precision. 30. Meat mincing machine grinds meat into fine, evenly, quickly, and smoothly. 32nd, macaroni packing factory divides macaroni into equal portions through automated sections, then packs them neatly for shipping and distribution. 33rd, egg collecting suction machine. Gently sucks up only the right-sized eggs and sends them forward for packing.